you on how to use live voice chats on TikTok. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So right here is my homepage on my TikTok app. So in order for you to actually use the live voice chat on your TikTok app, you need to click on the plus button found at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, this is my live option and this is what you're going to see when you click on yours. So right here you can see the live option right here. So looking here at the top, you can see where it says add a title. So you need to add a title. Now let's take, for instance, you want to say come. So when you add a title just like this, similar to this or anything of your choice, depending on what you want to actually do on your live stream. So after adding a title just like this, you can go ahead and add a topic. So let's say you want to talk about fitness and sports on your live stream. You can go ahead and select fitness and sports. Looking here, you can see where it says add a live goal. So you can actually click on add a live goal as well and add any live goal of your choice depending on what you want to actually aim from going live. Now let's take, for instance, you want to actually receive 5 roses on your TikTok live. Then you can actually go ahead and type in 5 roses. Now let's say 5 and click on confirm. Let's take, for instance, you want to get 5 roses and that is what you just want to get on your TikTok live. Then you can go ahead and select 5 roses and click on confirm. That is what is actually your live goal. So at the bottom here you can see the go live option. So in order for you to go live using the voice chat on your TikTok live, you need to simply click on go live. But before clicking on go live, at the bottom here as well, below where it says go live, you can see voice chat. Let's go ahead and click on that. So when you click on voice chat, this is it. So looking there, you can see go live. So once you hit the go live button, you are going to start live streaming on TikTok, but your face is not going to be shown to your audience. You are going to be heard only your voice is going to be heard on your live stream, and if that is what you really want, then you need to click on the go live button. So once you do that, you'll be able to go live on TikTok. So I'm going to click on that. So this is it. This is how simple it is to actually use the live voice chat on TikTok. If you want to go live without showing your face, you can actually use this option. Now we've come to the very end of this video. I know you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.